both hands in front of both sensors to trigger like something very close, which just, it waits for that, and as soon as it sees that, then begins the pull process. So just go like this. It kind of acknowledges, and it will kind of start. Walking is not very fast. I kept this low mainly for balance. But if I kind of slowly kind of force the ramp in front of it, it should kind of get close enough and recognize that the ramp is there. So now it's checking. It should. Yes. So it's recognized that it's a ramp. So what it does is it kind of straightens out its legs first, and then it will begin its transform process. And so it's not square, so I'm going to move it over. Oh, don't hit the phone. Return back. And then it'll force itself to straighten its legs by pulling them in a little more and get back to its upright stance. It does that a couple times just to ensure that the legs are basically back underneath and then it's standing again. And then after it does that check, it starts walking again. And it's kind of the same idea. This time I just have to hold this up. But it will, should go, oh, okay, it might have already done it. Yes, so I already saw that there's the overhang, and it basically does the exact same thing. It recenters itself, straightens its legs, then it'll transform and drive under. Except I'm not square. Oh no, I'm stuck in the box. Okay, what it did there, it got caught in the box, but it would have the back IR sensor watches, so it recognizes that there's nothing above it. Then as soon as it goes under something, it triggers a value in this program, and it waits for that value to go back low, which indicates that it had gone past whatever obstacle was above it. And the process just repeats again.
Cool. Right on.
And then if I want to stop it, it's just a matter of holding my hand in front of the front IR sensor, and it triggers a value that says quit the program, then it just stops.
Can we do the ramp one more time?
Sure. See if I can keep it square. So it usually takes a...
Yeah, hasn't found it yet, right?
So once it sees it, the front IR starts to lower to
Yeah.
kind of measure.
Oh yeah.
So it should recognize it here shortly. Yeah, there it goes.
There it goes. So it knows there's a ramp there and it's supposed to measure?
Based on the values that the IR sensor returns, if it's slow, I think how I have it, if it slowly increments as it goes down, it knows from that and a counter that I used that it's a ramp.
So it knows it's around, okay.
So I'm gonna keep.
So it lifts the front portion of it first?
Yeah. Oh, it got caught. It's kind of a timer thing that I had placed in. I would have, again, that's where I had some issues with the sensors. These ones specifically didn't register the same values